Hi everyone, I'm Sarah and I'm the Young Carer Coordinator from Carer Support Dorset. Poppy and I have been here today with 5 young carers from My Time Young Carers, who are a charity that supports young carers across Dorset. We have spent the day doing activities and creating the videos that you are about to watch. We asked the young carers to think about what experiences they've had with health and social care professionals in the past, how they were treated and how this made them feel. We then asked them to think about what the professionals did well and what they could have done better. It is really important that as professionals we listen to the voices of young carers to hear what they need instead of just assuming that we know best.
Hi, I'm Brad.
Hi, I'm Owen.
I'm Hannah.
Hello, my name is Emery.
Hi, I'm Ben.
Hi, I'm Brad. I'm 17 and I've been a young carer for about 10 years now. As a young carer, we have a more mature mindset when it comes to whatever we do, purely for the fact of our own caring roles. It's important that we are included in conversations when it involves people we care for, as that will help us spot the signs to any sort of health risk or administering any sort of medication.
Hi, I'm Owen. I'm a young carer. I've been a young carer for 13 years and I care for my mum. Never make assumptions when we know what we are talking about. We know lots about the person we care for. Include the young carers in conversations with the patient and make sure that you listen to them. It sometimes feels like we are battling with healthcare professionals when we know what's actually happening. Me and my dad had to battle with our doctors about trying to get my mum the correct medication. It's really important that all medical professionals know about us and listen to what we have to say, and include us with prescriptions and dosage as often as we are administering it.
I'm Hannah. I'm a young carer and I've been a young carer for about 6 years. I care for my brother Jack, who is 13 years old. Jack has cerebral palsy, learning difficulties, and he can't hear or see out of his right side. When health professionals come round, they should know I'm a young carer due to the fact I care for Jack, and it can be quite hard sometimes when he's struggling. If he's really ill or injured, I should be there so I can make him feel better, make him smile, make him happy.
Professionals are always trying their best. However, due to my mum having mental health, she's kind of uptight, so they need to encourage more. They need to push on all their medical equipment or their ideologies onto her, because otherwise she may not agree to it and fall ill again. It's important that I'm included because I have the most intel, I have the most information and I have the most knowledge to the situation. Of course they may be experienced, but I've been with my mum day to day, night to night. In the past, there was a traumatic event with my mum. Her mental health was at an all-time high. When the doctors gave her the medicine she needed to prevent her death, I wish I could have been there. I wish I was involved. I wish I could have been there for my mum.
Sometimes there's more personal things that come with each adult. And if we're there and we're telling you little personal things, it can help you feel more involved, but it also maybe might make the person who's in trouble or injured, it'll make them feel more safe and calm.
As a young carer, we also deal with our own mental strains, unfortunately, due to anxiety, depression, even ranging from more physical factors as in tics. Personally for me, I do suffer with some sort of anxiety. If I do leave the house, there's always a thought in the back of my mind that I could come home to my mum on the floor or something might happen, and that is very common with young carers. We do all suffer with that sense of anxiety and the question of what if.
Be considerate and compassionate.
Assumptions. Don't assume I know everything, but listen to what I have to say.
Treat me like an adult.
Please, don't underestimate my ability.
Take the time to listen to me. Don't rush, listen and explain.